Hello everyone, in this video we will see transformation formulas examples. So in that first one, show that sine 68 plus sine 52 degree divided by cos 68 plus cos 52 is equals to what here? Root 3. So here we will take the left hand side, then we will show that value is equals to how much here? Root 3. So first we will take left hand side. So first consider left hand side. If you see this left hand side numerator, it looks like sine C plus sine D. So C means, this C means which value? 68. D means which value here? 52. So next step, what I am going to do for this numerator, I am going to apply this first formula, that is sine C plus sine D is what? 2 sine C plus D divided by 2 into cos C minus D divided by 2. Similarly, denominator, it looks like cos C plus cos D. Again C means 68, D means 52. For this denominator I am going to apply cos C plus cos D formula, that is 2 into cos C plus D divided by 2 into cos C minus D divided by 2. So apply now which is equals to, so it is 2 into sine, okay, C means how much? 68 plus D means 52 divided by 2 into cos, again same 68 minus 52 divided by 2 divided by, again denominator cos C plus cos D is what? 2 into cos, again C means 68 plus 52 divided by 2 into cos 68 minus 52 divided by how much here? 2. Correct? So here you can cancel, because of multiplication sign you can cancel 2 and 2. So which is equals to, next one is what? Sine 68 plus 52 is 120. You know 120 divided by 2 means how much here? 60. Correct? Therefore 120 divided by 2 means how much degree? 60 degree into next cos, next 68 minus 52. Again here also 68 minus 52 divided by what is here? 2. See here also cos 68 minus 52 divided by 2 divided by here also cos 68 minus 52 divided by 2. So directly you can cancel these two values. Next divided by denominator, again here cos 68 plus 52 120 divided by 2. 120 divided by 2 means how much here? 60 degree. Correct? So next, again here you know the formula. What is that formula? Sin theta divided by cos theta, value is how much here? Tan theta. Correct? Therefore theta here both the angles are same, so sin 60 divided by cos 60 goes to how much here? Tan 60 degree. Again see that table, trigonometric standard table, in that cos 60 degree value is how much here? Root 3, which is equals to right hand side. Okay, so this is also correct. Otherwise, or see here sin 60 degree is there divided by, next one is what? Cos 60 degree is there. Otherwise you can substitute sin 60 degree value, that is root 3 divided by 2 divided by cos 60 degree value is 1 divided by 2. Here 2 and 2 get cancelled. What is the remaining value? Root 3 divided by what here? 1. You know root 3 divided by 1 is how much here? Root 3. So this is also correct. Otherwise like this also you can do, but in both the case you will get the same answer, that is root 3. So next question, show that sin theta plus sin 3 theta plus sin 5 theta divided by cos theta plus cos 3 theta plus cos 5 theta value is tan 3 theta. So first we will consider the left hand side. Okay, so first write left hand side, LHS. So first sine theta plus sine 3 theta plus sine 5 theta divided by cos theta plus cos 3 theta plus cos 5 theta. Okay, so here what I am going to do is, see, you can see the right hand side you have to show in terms of what? Tan 3 theta you have to show. So here it is there 3 theta, again here also 3 theta already it is present. So what I am going to do is, these two values I am going to keep it as it is, and for sine theta plus sine 5 theta, cos theta plus cos 5 theta I am going to apply the formula. Therefore first step I am going to interchange these two. I am going to interchange these two values. So which is equals to, first I am going to write sine theta plus, next I am going to write sine 5 theta plus, next sine 3 theta I am going to keep it as it is, divided by next cos theta plus, next I am going to write cos 5 theta plus, next final you write cos 3 theta. So next step what to do for first two, for these two and for these two. Here you need to apply cos C plus cos D formula. Here you need to apply sin C plus sin D formula. Okay, so you know sin C plus sin D formula is 2 into sin C plus D divided by 2 cos C minus D divided by 2, and cos C plus cos D formula is 2 into cos C plus D divided by 2 into cos C minus D divided by 2. These two formulas I am going to apply. Therefore which is equals to, you know, sin C plus sin D is 2 times of sin C. C means theta plus D means 5 theta divided by 2 into cos C minus D divided by 2 plus sin 3 theta, keep it as it is, sin 3 theta value keep it as it is, divided by, again denominator apply cos C plus cos D formula. So formula is 2 into cos C is theta plus 5 theta divided by 2 into cos C minus D divided by 2, cos C minus D divided by 2 plus cos 3 theta I am going to keep it as it is. So which is equals to next 2 into sin 5 theta plus theta is 6 theta, 6 theta divided by 2 is 3 theta into cos theta minus 5 is 1 minus 5 is minus 4, minus 4 divided by 2 means what? Minus 2 theta plus sin 3 theta I am going to keep it as it is, divided by, next here 2 into cos 6 plus 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 by 2 means 3 theta into cos 1 minus 5 is minus 4, minus 4 by 2 means how much? Minus 2 theta plus sin 3 theta I am going to keep it as it is. Next what I am going to do is, you can see here one term, here one term, in this two, here sin 3 theta, cos 3 theta, cos 3 theta. So I am going to take sin 3 theta outside. So what is the remaining value? 2 into cos of minus 2 theta plus here 1 divided by, here if I take here cos 3 theta, here if I take cos 3 theta outside, what is the remaining value? 2 into cos of minus 2 theta plus cos 3 theta. If I take it outside here, remaining value is 1. So here, because of this multiplication sign, easily you can cancel these two. So what is the remaining value? Sin 3 theta divided by what? Cos 3 theta. You know, sin by cos is what here? Tan 3 theta. So which is equals to which part here? Right hand side. So next example, show that cos 9 degree plus sin 9 degree divided by cos 9 degree minus sin 9 degree is equals to 54 degree. Correct? So again we will take the left hand side value. So this is the left hand side. So now you can observe here, you cannot apply this transformation formulas. Okay, see here, sin C plus sin D, cos sin C minus sin D, cos C plus cos D minus cos D. These four formulas you cannot apply, because here cos 9 degree plus sin 9 degree. Again here cos 9 degree minus sin 9 degree. For cos and sin there is no formula. Correct? So next step, what I am going to do is, I am going to change this sin 9 degree in terms of what here? Cos. So now see this. So what I am going to do, this sin 9 degree and this sin 9 degree I am going to change in terms of what here? Cos. So for that, what I am going to do, see, sin 9 degree is there. Correct? Sin 9 degree. So which is equals to sin, I am going to keep it as it is. So this 9 degree can be written as a 90 minus of 81. Correct? 90 minus of what here? 81. So which is equals to, so it is in the allied angle form. Correct? So you know 90 minus of 81 is nothing but 9 degree. So next sin, this 90 can be written as what? 1 into 90 minus of what here? 81. So next, 1 is the odd number. So if it is odd number, sin changes to what here? Cos. At the end, how much degree is there? 81 degree. Keep it as it is. Next here, 1 minus. So plus sign, 0, 1. Minus means which quadrant? First quadrant. All are what here? Positive. Therefore finally sin 9 degree value, how much you are getting here? Cos 81 degree. Correct? Therefore sin 9 degree, by applying the allied angle formula, how much you are getting here? Cos 81. So in the next step, these two sin 9 degree I am going to replace by what here? Cos 81 degree. Okay, so see now, so which is equals to, this is cos 9 degree, I am going to keep it as it is, plus sin 9 degree is nothing but what? Cos 81 degree divided by, again cos 9 degree I am going to keep it as it is, minus what again? Cos 81 degree. So now you can apply here cos C plus cos D formula, that is transformation formula, and here cos C minus cos D. Correct? So you know the formula. See, cos C plus cos D is 2 times of cos C plus D divided by 2 into cos C minus D divided by 2, and cos C minus cos D is minus 2 sin C plus D divided by 2 into sin C minus D divided by 2. So now these two formulas I am going to apply. So which is equals to, so apply cos C plus cos D. So C means 9, D means how much here? 81. So apply this formula. So that is 2 cos 9 plus 81 divided by 2 into cos 9 minus 81 divided by 2 divided by, next for denominator, cos 9 minus cos 81 is there, so apply cos C minus cos D formula, that is minus 2 into sin C means 9 plus 81 divided by 2 into, next one is what? Sin C minus D. 9 minus 81 divided by what here? 2. Okay. So next. Simplify. In the next step, here you can cancel 2 and 2. So which is equals to cos. So 9 plus 81 is 90. 90 divided by 2 means how much here? 45 degree into cos. So next one is what? 9 minus 81 divided by 2 means minus 36 you will get. Minus 36. Correct. So divided by, again here minus sine, again 81 plus 9 divided by 2 means 45 degree into here sine of, again same, minus 36. So next here cos 45 sine 45 is there, you know sine 45 degree as well as what? Cos 45 degree value is 1 divided by root 2. 1 divided by root 2. Next here, you know cos of minus theta formula you need to apply, that is cos theta, and here sine of minus theta formula you need to apply, that is minus sine theta. Correct. So now first here you need to substitute the 1 by root 2 value, and here for these two apply this formula. Therefore which is equals to cos 45 degrees 1 divided by root 2 into cos of minus 36. Cos of minus 36 only cos 36 degree divided by, next minus I am going to keep it as it is. Next again sine 45 also 1 upon root 2 into, next sine of minus theta. Sine of minus theta is what? Minus sine how much degree? 36 degree. Correct. So next you can cancel 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Next which is equals to, here minus into minus goes to plus. So what is the remaining value? Cos 36 degree divided by what? Sine 36 degree. Correct. Next you know the formula. Correct. Again formula is there, cos theta divided by what? Tan theta, sine theta is nothing but what here? Cot theta. Cos by sine is nothing but cot. Therefore cos 36 divided by sine 36 goes to cot 36 degree. Cot 36 degree. But answer you need to show tan 54 degree. Correct. Tan 54 degree. But here we are getting what? Cot 36 degree. So next, to get this tan 54 degree, again here I am going to apply the allied angle formula. Therefore, see now how I am going to do. Cot is there. This 36 degree can be written as what? 90 minus of 54. Correct. 90 minus 54 is nothing but 36 degree. Again apply allied angle formula. 1 into 90 minus 54. So 1 is odd number. Cot changes to what here? Tan. So here 54 degree. So next 1 minus is there. So draw here plus 0, 1. Minus means first quadrant. All are what here? Positive. Therefore, finally, how much you are getting here? Tan 54 degree, which is equals to right hand side. So left hand side is equals to what? Right hand side. So next question. Show that cos 20, cos 40, cos 60 into cos 80 degree is equals to 1 divided by 60. So first take the left hand side. So in this left hand side, next what I am going to do for these two, I am going to apply the transformation formula. So which one? Cos A into cos B formula is there. So what is that cos A into cos B formula? 1 upon 2, 1 divided by 2 into cos A plus B, cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, A minus B. So that formula you apply. Next, you know cos 60 degree value is there. Cos 60 degree value is 1 divided by 2. So next, you know cos 60 degree value is what? 1 divided by 2. So now apply. So which is equals to 1 divided by 2 into bracket. So next one is what? Cos a plus b. A means 20 plus b means 40 plus cos a minus b, 20 minus 40. Okay, so close the bracket, into cos 60 degree value is 1 divided by 2 into cos 80. I am going to keep it as it is. Cos 80 degree I am going to keep it as it is. So next, so 1 by 2 into this 1 by 2 cos 80 you multiply. These two you multiply. So that value I am going to keep it first. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 divided by 4 into what here? Cos 80 degree. Here I am going to keep into bracket. So next one, cos 20 plus 40 is 60 degree plus cos 20 minus 40 is minus 20 degree. Correct? 20 minus 40 is minus 20. So next, again these two values you know, correct? Here again cos 60 degree is 1 divided by what here? 2. Next, here cos of minus theta value is only cos theta. Correct? Cos of minus theta value is only cos theta. So next, which is equals to 1 upon 4 cos 80 degree, keep it as it is, into cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is 1 divided by 2 plus cos of minus 20 becomes what here? Only cos 20 because of this formula. Next, open the bracket. These two you multiply. Next, these two you multiply. So which is equals to 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 is 1 divided by 4 into 2 is 8 cos 80 degree. Okay, so plus 1 by 4 into cos 80 into what here? Cos 20. Correct? Open the bracket. So after opening the bracket, next here again I am going to apply. So which formula? Cos A into cos B formula. Here already it is there. See, cos A cos B is what? 1 by 2 cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So this value keep it as it is. 1 divided by 8 into cos 80 degree I am going to keep it as it is, plus 1 by 4 I am going to keep it as it is. So next what I am going to do? I am going to apply the formula. So cos A into cos B formula is 1 upon 2. So here 1 upon 2 into bracket cos A plus B. A means 80, B means how much here? 20, plus cos A minus B. Cos A is 20 minus of 80 minus of 20. So close the bracket. Correct? So next, simplify these two first. So which is equals to 1 upon 8 into cos 80 degree I am going to keep it as it is, plus 1 divided by 4 also I am going to keep it as it is, 1 upon 2 also keep it as it is, into cos 80 plus 20 is how much here? 100. Correct? 80 plus 20 is how much here? 100, plus next cos 80 minus 20 is how much here? 60. 100 degree, 60 degree. So close the bracket. Again you know here cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree value is how much here? 1 divided by 2. So which is equals to 1 divided by 8 into cos 80 degree, keep it as it is, plus 1 divided by 4 into 1 upon 2 also keep it as it is, into bracket cos 100 degree also I am going to keep it as it is. Here I am going to apply cos 60 degree value, that is 1 divided by 2. So next time this bracket you open. So these two you multiply. So next, which is equals to 1 divided by 8 into cos 80 degree plus 1 divided by 4 into bracket multiply 1 by 2 into cos 100, 1 divided by 2 into cos 100 plus 1 divided by 2 into 1 divided by 2 is 1 divided by 4. Correct? So next, these two, open the bracket, these two you multiply. So next, which is equals to 1 divided by 8 cos 80 degree plus 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 2 is 1 divided by 4 into 2 is 8 cos 100 degree plus 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 4. So 1 upon 4 into 4 is how much here? 16. So you can see here I got 1 by 16. Answer also you need to show what here? 1 divided by 16. But we need to cancel these two values. So here 1 by 8 cos 80, 1 by 8 cos 100 is there. So to cancel these two, next step what I am going to do, here I am going to apply allied angle formula. So here what I am going to do, allied angle formula. So see how I am going to apply. So which is equals to 1 upon 8 cos 80 degree, I am going to keep it as it is, plus 1 upon 8 into cos, this 100 can be written as what here? 180 minus 80. Correct? 180 minus 80 is nothing but how much? 100 plus 1 divided by 16, keep it as it is. Next, which is equals to 1 upon 8 cos 80 degree, keep it as it is, 1 upon 8 into cos, this 180 can be written as what? 2 into 90 minus 8 plus 1 divided by 16. So next, which is equals to again 1 by 8 cos 80 degree, I am going to keep it as it is, plus 1 upon 8 also keep it as it is. 2 is the even number, so cos remains what here? Cos how much degree here? 80 degree. Correct? So next, here 2 minus is there. If I draw here plus 0, 1, 2 minus means which quadrant here? Second quadrant. You know, in second quadrant cos is which sign here? Negative sign. So cos 2 into 90 minus 80 value is minus cos 80 plus 1 divided by 16. Keep it as it is. So next, 1 upon 8 into cos 80 degree plus into minus is minus 1 upon 8 into cos 80 plus 1 divided by 16. So that time you can see here plus 1 by 8 cos 80, next minus 1 by 8 cos 80 degree get cancelled. So what is the remaining value? 1 divided by 16. So which is equals to which part here? RHS. So left hand side is equals to what? Right hand side. So next question, show that sin 20, sin 40, sin 60, sin 80 degree is equals to 3 by 16. How you solve the previous one? Same process but different formula. Here for first two, sin 20, sin 40, I am going to apply sin A into sin B formula, and sin 60 degree value is how much? Root 3 divided by 2. So apply. So which is equals to minus 1 divided by 2 into bracket cos A plus B. So cos A means 20 plus B means 40 minus cos A minus B, 20 minus 40, close the bracket, into sin 60 degree is root 3 divided by 2 into sin 80, I am going to keep it as it is. So next, now these two you multiply. Last, because of multiplication sign, you can multiply 1 by 2 into root 3 by 2. So which is equals to minus, I am going to keep it as it is, 1 into root 3 is root 3 divided by 2 into 2 is how much here? 4 into sin 80. Keep it as it is in bracket. Next, cos 20 plus 40 is 60 minus cos 20 minus 40 is minus 20. Okay, so next, so here first apply cos of minus theta formula, that is cos theta, and here you know cos 60 degree value. So you know cos 60 degree value is 1 divided by 2. So apply. So next, which is equals to minus root 3 divided by 4 into sin 80 into bracket cos 60 degree is 1 divided by 2 minus cos of minus 20 becomes only cos 20. Next, open the bracket. So these two and these two multiply. So which is equals to minus root 3 into 1 is root 3 divided by 4 into 2 is 8 sine 80. Next, minus into minus is plus root 3 by 4 root 3 divided by 4 into sine 80 into cos 20. Sine 80 into what here? Cos 20. So next here for this I am going to apply which formula? Sin A cos B. Sin A into cos B formula I am going to apply. So you know sin A into cos B formula is, here it is 1 by 2 sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Apply. Therefore, first minus root 3 divided by 8, keep it as it is. Sin 80 also keep it as it is. Here outside root 3 divided by 4 I am going to keep it as it is. Again in bracket apply sin A into cos B formula, that is 1 divided by 2 into sin A plus B, 80 plus 20, okay, plus sin A minus B, 80 minus 20. Close the bracket. So next, which is equals to minus root 3 divided by 8 into sin 80, keep it as it is, plus root 3 divided by 4 in bracket 1 divided by 2, again in bracket, simplify this first. 80 plus 20 is 100 plus sin 80 minus 20 is how much here? 60. Next, you know sin 60 degree. Sin 60 degree is root 3 divided by 2. Therefore, which is equals to minus root 3 divided by 8 into sin 80 plus root 3 divided by 4, keep it as it is. 1 divided by 2 also keep it as it is. Next, sin 100 plus sin 60 degree is what? Root 3 divided by 2. Next, open the bracket. So these two multiply. So which is equals to minus root 3 divided by 8 sin 80 degree plus root 3 divided by 4, keep it as it is, in bracket 1 by 2 into sin 100, 1 by 2 into sin 100 plus 1 into root 3 is root 3, 2 into 2 goes to how much here? 4. Next, these two. Open the bracket. So which is equals to minus root 3 divided by 8 sin 80 plus root 3 into 1 is root 3 divided by 4 into 2 is 8. Correct. So next, sin 100 degree plus root 3 into root 3 is 3 divided by 4 into 4 is how much here? 16. So now see here I got 3 by 16. 3 by 16 only we need to prove, but we need to cancel these two. But here you cannot cancel. Here sin 80, here sin 100 is there. Correct. Therefore, next what I am going to do, apply here allied angle formula for this sin 100. So see, minus root 3 divided by 8 sin 80, keep it as it is, plus root 3 divided by 8 sin 100 can be written as what? 180 minus 80 plus 3 divided by 16, keep it as it is, which is equals to minus root 3 divided by 8 sin 80 plus root 3 divided by 8 sin 180 can be written as what? 2 into 90 minus 80 plus 3 divided by 16, keep it as it is. So which is equals to minus root 3 divided by 8 sin 80 plus root 3 divided by 8, keep it as it is. 2 is even number, sin remains sin. Here at the end 80 degree, keep it as it is. Next, this 2 minus. So 0, 1, 2 minus means second quadrant all are positive. Sorry, second quadrant sign is positive. Correct. Therefore here plus sign only comes, plus 3 divided by 16. Therefore here minus root 3 by 8 sin 80 plus root 3 by 8 sin 80 get cancelled. So what is the remaining value? 3 divided by 16, which is equals to RHS. Thank you.